Hello students, good morning. Myself N.S. Yadav. Our channel is GB His Coaching Classes. Today we shall do some numerical of class 12th on current electricity. Numericals on Kirchhoff's law. Our first numerical is this is 7. Using Kirchhoff's law, calculate the current through 40 ohm and 20 ohm resistors. In the following circuit. Our circuit is this is 80 volt, this is 40 volt, this is 20 ohm, this is 40 ohm, and this is 10 ohm. We have to find out the current through 20 ohm resistor and 40 ohm resistor. Now, the current due to this cell I1 or due to this cell I2. So in the circuit what is given? Yes. This current is I2, this current is I1. Consider. Here I1 plus I2. Here. Consider this loop first and this loop second. We take the arrow side is positive and against arrow is negative. This current is against arrow. This is I1 against arrow. This is I2 is in the direction of the arrow. Arrow side is taken positive. This is positive and this current is negative. For loop first. Solution. For loop first. This one. I2 20 ohm. 20 ohm into I2. This current is opposing this arrow. So this should be taken minus 40 into I1. This is for 80. 80 is the EMF for the first circuit. First loop. Again see, this is, we consider this loop as a first. The current start from positive terminal. So this direction is taken positive, and against this direction the current I2 is coming. So this product of the current and the resistance gives the voltage. So this is taken as negative. I2 and 20 is taken as positive, but 40 into I1. I1 is just opposing the this arrow. So it is taken as negative, and this potential is also taken as positive, because this arrow is in the direction of the positive terminal of the battery. Now divide this by 20. So then I2 minus 2I1 is equal to 4. For loop second, I1 and 40. I1 and 40. This is in the same direction. This is positive, this is negative. So I1, how much? 40 into I1 plus I1 plus I2 into 10 is equal to 40, or we can divide by 10. 4I1 plus I1 plus I2 into 4. This is our equation 2. Now solve. First equation, I2 minus 2I1 is equal to 4. This is equation second. And open this. 4I1 plus 4I1 plus 4I2. How much 4? I1 plus I2 equal to 4. It means 5I1 plus I2 is equal to 4. This is equation second. Adding equation first and second. Adding equation first and second. First equation minus 2I1 plus I2 and 5I1 plus I2. This is equal to 4 and this is equal to 4 and this is equal to also 4. Subtracting equation first from equation second. from 2. Then this is our equation second, and this equation first, minus 2i1 plus i2 is equal to 4, plus minus minus. So this becomes 0. This comes 5, 7i1 is equal to 0 or i1 is equal to 0. So i1 comes 0. Put this value in any equation. From equation first, equation first is i2 minus 2i1 equal to 4. i1 is equal to 0. i2 minus 2 into 0 is equal to 4. Then i2 is equal to 4. So our current is equal to i1 is equal to 0 and i2 is equal to 4 ampere. This is the answer. Once again, our circuit is given that 80 volt cell is connected to a resistor 20 ohm and then to a resistor 40 ohm, and a cell of 40 volts also connected in this way. A 10 ohm resistor is connected to negative terminal of this battery. The current due to this cell is I1 and current due to this cell is I2. I2 for first loop, I2 into 20 is taken in the direction of arrow, and 40 into I1, for this is just against the direction of the arrow, so we take it negative. 40 into I1, this gives the net EMF of the loop, that is 80. Now divide by 20, we get this one. Now come to the loop second. 40, we take the direction of the loop in this way. So the direction in the arrow taken as total positive, I1 into 40, 40 into I1 plus I2 into 10 is equal to 40. We solve it, divide by 10 for I1 plus I2 equal to 4. Now this is equation first and this is equation second. Now subtract equation first from second. The second equation this, or first equation minus 2I1 plus I2 is equal to 4. We subtract it, then it becomes positive, it becomes negative, it becomes negative. So 7I1 is equal to 0 or I1 is equal to 0. Now we put this value in equation first, then we get I2 equal to 4. So this is our question. Now we take a second question. Here is 5I2. This is our solution. Now question second. This is correct. 22 4 correct. Now 4 and this is 10 correct. Correct. ठीक है. Now question next. Next question is calculate question number 8. Calculate the current drawn from battery by the network of resistors shown in figure. This is 1 ohm, this is 5 ohm, this is 4 ohm, this is 2 ohm, and this is 2 ohm. This is point A and this is point C. We have to find out the net current of calculate the current drawn from battery. It means this is connected A and C to a battery (4 volt). Solution. This is the point A. From point A, this is the point A. From point A, there are two junctions. One goes to 1 ohm and other goes to 2 ohm. This is point B and this is point D. So at B there are two. One goes to this way and other goes to this way. This is 2 ohm and this is 5 ohm. 5 ohm meet at point D. This is D. And D and C have a resistor of 4 ohm. This is 2 ohm. This is 5 ohm. This is 1 ohm. This is point C. A battery 4 volt is connected. Now according to Wheatstone bridge, according to the condition, of Wheatstone bridge, P upon Q, this line considered P, this considered Q, this is R and this is S. P upon Q should be equal to R upon S. If this condition is fulfilled, then the potential of point B and D becomes equal, so there is no current in this side is neglected. Here 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 4, it means 1 upon 2. It balances the Wheatstone bridge condition. Condition of Wheatstone bridge is satisfied. So this is neglected. Now remaining circuit, this is A, this is C, now 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 2 and 4. Now this is in series and this is in series. So final becomes A C this final becomes 3 or this becomes 4. Now these are in series, these are in parallel. 1 upon R equal to 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 6 is equal to 2 plus 1 upon 6, it means 3 upon 6, and R is equal to 2. Current B is equal to IR and I is equal to B upon R. B is equal to how much? 4 volt. The 4 upon 2 is equal to 2 ampere. This is the answer. Again, this circuit is given. We have to find out the current passes through the network. This resistors converted into this Wheatstone bridge. R1, this from A, there are 2 resistors. 1 ohm resistors, 2 ohm resistors. 1 ohm resistor goes this way and 2 ohm this way. At this point B, there are 2 resistors also, 2 ohm and 5 ohm. 2 ohm is this and 5 ohm this. And at point D, this is D. And C, this is 4 ohm. According to the Wheatstone condition, P upon Q is equal to R upon S. This is P, this is Q, this is R, this is S. So this condition is satisfied. It means the potential of B and D are equal. There is no current passing through this one. So this resistor is neglected. On neglecting this, our circuit becomes like this one. 1 ohm and 2 ohm. This 1 ohm, this 2 ohm. This 2 ohm, this 4 ohm. Becomes 3 and 6. So upper branch 3 and lower branch 6. Now these are in parallel. So net resistance is 2 and the current is V upon R. V equal to 4 volt and R equal to 2 ohm. Then current equal to 2 ampere. 2A. Answer. This is our final numerical of this chapter. Now we finish. Okay.